So here's something I think we should really talk about, and that is why you need a LinkedIn strategy for 2019 and onwards. Now obviously everyone has seen the growth of LinkedIn and how people are using it differently in comparison to how they was using it a year to 2 years ago. But if we look at the platforms like Facebook and Instagram for instance, and we look at the way that you could reach a lot more people organically a year to 2 years ago, then we understand that platforms change, the way that we gather attention change, and the way that we can reach more people without paying for an advert changes. Facebook and Instagram, a year to 2 years ago, you could reach a lot more people for your money, for your ad spend. So say if you spent £50, say 2 years ago, you could reach about 70,000 people, and that's targeted people. But now, you'll be lucky if you're reaching 10 to 12,000 people with £50, depending on your advert obviously and how good it does organically. But roughly speaking, that's how much you would be looking to reach, which is still good and still hugely underpriced, but in comparison to how it was originally, it's gone up a lot. So if we use that for an example, we can see that platforms change as the platform starts to grow. Now if we look at LinkedIn, which is still in the early stages of developing the social side of their platform, originally it was used as a professional platform, which was mainly for CVs and those types of things. But as everybody can see, they've opened it up to video, and they've opened up some other features, and they've got some other features that are coming as well that are making it more social, because that's the direction they want to go, a professional social platform. Now, you've got to think there's a nice moment in time, say 12 to 16 months, where you can go all in on LinkedIn and you will reach a lot of people and build your audience quickly in comparison to if you tried and attempted 2 years later. Because 2 years later, obviously, they're going to shut down how many people you can actually reach organically, and they're going to make it so that you have to pay in order to reach more people. So right now is the prime opportunity to start growing your audience on LinkedIn and start really going all in. Now what I mean by doing all in content is literally giving value. A lot of people overthink content, like they sit there and procrastinate about what can I do, what have I got to say, all that type of stuff. But realistically, people have got loads to say, like people have got loads that they can package and put together in order to educate more people. And the main thing is, you want to become that daily habit of somebody when they come to get educated about a particular topic or industry. That's how you want to position yourself. And I'm going to give you a few examples in the following video where I'll talk about companies like Guinness and how they started it actually in the 40s. They was using content marketing but in a different way. But I'm going to give that as an example, so look forward to that video which is coming, and I'll give you some practical lessons on how you can do it as well. But what I really just wanted to address is for people to take it more seriously, instead of dabbling in it and putting their toe in it now and then creating some content and then not being consistent with it. I'm trying to encourage people to be consistent and to show up daily, because that is what it comes down to, just literally showing up. If you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one where we help the underdog to win.